Okay, in this video we will talk about two secret node in Maya. The one is polyRetopo to set whatever you model to become a triangle mesh, and then the other one is polyRetopo to set your model into uh, poly poly object that will retopo automatic retopo with uh, Maya that the secret node Maya node. Okay. Uh, in this viewport, I have a few of poly model. I will set a Boolean object within this object. Yeah. This was the first one. This one. Okay, I will set with this uh, Boolean different. Okay, and then this one. So this I will use union. Okay, and then this one and this one different. See. Okay, this one and this one. I think it's got a bit different again. Oh no. So this intersects. Okay. See. And the last one will use different Boolean. Okay. This is the final Boolean object that we have. Okay. After this, I will duplicate to easy to us to see the difference before and after poly remesh. We use poly duplicate. Okay. Now I will set or apply poly remesh. Okay, and then enter. I will execute. Okay. Okay. This is poly remesh. Okay. This node actually have reduced threshold, so you can set whatever you want to reduce the threshold. I will decrease the reduce threshold to 10, and then the mass will be more large. If I set to 50, okay, it's more light because this must decrease the triangle. Let's try to 60. Okay, I think 50 is good enough, and we will continue to polyRetopo. I will duplicate spatial again, so we will easy to compare, and then I will apply polyRetopo, and then execute. Okay, I'm still thinking. Okay, soon. This is the final result of polyRetopo and polyRemesh. This node actually have uh, face count, target face count. This is 2000. If I set 2000, this will be like this. Wait, no, okay. This one is set to 1000. If we set to 500, this one, okay. I will set back to 1000. Okay, this one, see, okay. I think it's not too bad, but maybe not like what we want to retopo. Yeah. Okay. So this is the Boolean object, polyRemesh, and polyRetopo secret node in Maya. Hope you enjoy and clear about this secret node.